Hello, everyone.
Welcome back.
I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
How are you today?
I'm wonderful, thank you.
Today we have a very practical topic.
Yes. Today we're talking about introducing yourself.
But not a long introduction.
No. A short, perfect introduction.
Just 35 words.
Let's begin.
So, Tom, why 35 words?
That's a great question.
Why not 50 words or 20 words?
Well, 35 words is perfect.
How so?
It's not too short and not too long.
Ah, I see.
You can say important things about yourself.
But you don't tell your whole life story.
Exactly. People can remember what you say.
That's true. When do people use these introductions?
Oh, many situations.
Like what?
At a new job, in a class, at a party.
Meeting new friends.
Yes. Or at interviews.
I have a story about this.
Tell me.
I have a student named Paolo.
Yes?
He practiced his 35-word introduction with me every week.
That's good.
Then he went to a job interview.
And what happened?
They asked him to introduce himself and he was ready.
Wonderful.
He spoke clearly and confidently. He got the job.
See, this is so useful.
Very useful. So, what should people include in their introduction?
Let's start with the basics.
Good idea.
First, always say your name.
Of course, that's the most important thing.
My name is, or I'm.
Simple and clear.
Then say where you're from.
Your home country or city.
I'm from Spain, or I'm from Tokyo.
Perfect. What's next?
Where you live now.
This is important if you move to a new place.
Yes. I live in London, or I live in New York.
Let me give an example.
Go ahead.
My name is Maria. I'm from Spain. I live in London.
That's excellent.
How many words is that?
Let me count. That's 13 words.
Only 13.
So you have 22 more words.
Lots of space for more information.
Exactly. So what else can you add?
Well, you can talk about your work.
Yes, your job or your studies.
I work as a teacher.
Or I'm a student.
I study engineering at university.
These are all great.
What about hobbies?
Oh, yes. Hobbies are perfect
Why are hobbies good to mention?
because people connect through hobbies.
That's true.
If you say, I like football, someone might say, me too.
And you make a new friend.
Exactly. So you can say things like, I enjoy cooking.
Or, I like reading books.
I love playing guitar.
In my free time, I play tennis.
All of these are wonderful.
I have another story.
Tell us.
I teach a student named Yuki.
Okay.
On her first day of class, she said, I love photography.
Nice.
Another student said, Me too, I love taking photos.
Wonderful.
Now they're good friends. They go out and take photos together every weekend.
See, this is why hobbies are important in your introduction.
Yes. So let's build a complete example.
Good idea. Let's create one together.
Okay, let's imagine a student named Carlos.
Carlos, got it.
He's from Mexico.
And where does he live now?
He lives in New York.
What does he do?
He's a chef.
Nice. And his hobbies?
He likes playing guitar and cooking for friends.
Perfect. Let's put it together.
My name is Carlos.
Good start.
I'm from Mexico.
Keep going.
I live in New York now.
Excellent.
I work as a chef.
Great job.
In my free time, I like playing guitar and cooking for my friends.
That sounds natural.
Let me say it all together.
Yes, please.
My name is Carlos. I'm from Mexico. I live in New York now. I work as a chef. In my free time, I like playing guitar and cooking for my friends.
Perfect. Let me count the words.
Go ahead.
My name is Carlos. That's 4.
Okay.
I'm from Mexico. 7 words total.
Keep going.
I live in New York now. 13 words.
Great.
I work as a chef. 18 words.
Almost there.
In my free time. 22. I like playing guitar. 26. And cooking for my friends. That's 31 words.
31. Very close to 35.
It's perfect. You don't need exactly 35 words.
Right. 30 to 40 words is great.
The important thing is, it sounds natural.
Not like a robot.
Exactly. Now, how should people practice this?
That's a very important question.
First, write your introduction down.
Yes, use a notebook or your phone.
Think about what you want to say.
Your name, where you're from, what you do, what you like.
Write it all down.
Then count the words.
If it's too long, remove some words.
If it's too short, add more information.
Then comes the important part.
What's that?
Say it out loud.
Yes, this is very important.
Don't just read it in your head.
You must speak it out loud.
Say it 10 times, 20 times.
Practice every day.
I tell my students to practice in front of a mirror.
That's a great tip
Why is the mirror helpful?
because you can see yourself speaking.
You can watch your mouth and your expressions.
It helps you look confident.
Another good idea is to record yourself.
Oh, yes, use your phone.
Record your introduction and listen to it.
You can hear how you sound.
Then you can improve it.
My students also practice with family.
That's wonderful.
They say their introduction to their parents, their brothers, their sisters.
The more you practice, the better you get.
And the more confident you feel.
Confidence is so important.
When will people use this introduction?
So many times.
First day at a new job.
Yes. Meeting your new coworkers.
First day of class.
Meeting new classmates or teachers.
At parties or social events.
When someone says, "Tell me about yourself."
Online meetings.
Yes, video calls, Zoom meetings.
When you're traveling.
Meeting people at hostels or hotels.
Making new friends anywhere.
One of my students, Ahmed, told me something interesting.
What did he say?
He practiced his introduction for 2 weeks.
Good.
Then he went to a networking event for his job.
Networking events can be scary.
Yes, but Ahmed was ready.
What happened?
He introduced himself confidently to 20 different people.
20 people.
Yes, and because his introduction was clear and interesting, people wanted to talk to him more.
That's wonderful.
He made many good professional contacts that night.
See, a good introduction opens doors.
Exactly.
So let's review the important points.
Great idea.
First, start with your name.
My name is, or
Then say where you're from.
I'm from,
Say where you live now.
I live in,
Talk about your work or studies.
I work as, or I study.
Mention your hobbies or interests.
I like, I enjoy, I love.
Keep it around 35 words.
30 to 40 words is perfect.
Write it down first.
Then practice out loud.
Every day.
Record yourself and listen.
Practice with friends or family.
And most important,
What's that?
make it sound natural.
Not like a robot.
Be yourself.
Your introduction should show your personality.
Yes, be warm, be friendly, be you.
Now it's your turn.
Yes. Today, write your 35-word introduction.
Think about what makes you special.
What do you want people to know about you?
Write it down.
Count the words.
Then practice saying it 10 times today.
Tomorrow, practice 10 more times.
In 1 week, you'll feel so confident.
You can do this.
We believe in you.
Great job today.
You did so well.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.